What's the meaning of chit-chat? Chit-chat. Chit-chat.
Chit-chat. Chit-chat. Chit-chat refers to casual or informal conversation between people, often about unimportant or trivial matters. It is a way for people to pass the time and establish social connections. Chit-chat can take place in a variety of settings, such as at work, during social events, or while waiting in line. While chit-chat may not always lead to meaningful discussions or deep connections, it can help build rapport and create a sense of community. Overall, chit-chat is an important aspect of everyday communication and social interaction.